Alright, you guys, welcome back. Today I went to Walmart. I got the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Carbonator XXL, the root beer float one I had before, but I sold it. So all I need is Radosaur, Team Dino, and I'm done with the series already. Pretty cool. Name Carbonator XXL, Truck Type City, Strength, the Notorious POP, Crash Attack, Sip, and Smash. Pretty cool. It's an unboxing now. Okay, here it is. Nice. I like the orange. It's really nice. It says Carbonator XXL Hot Wheels Float, and there's a root beer splatters. There's a Hot Wheels logo. Pretty cool. And the classic bottle opener, the bottle cap parts, and the little foam. Root beer color roll cage, like a light brown. Dark rims and beadlocks, black tires. There's the back of the opener. Hot Wheels on top. So that's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share with more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope y'all enjoyed.